Hey Chris, this is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and this video is going to be much shorter than the last video I shot for the Affordable Fences website, mainly because right now your SEO is actually looking really good. So I went to your website, and as we can see here, it's a good looking website. It's pretty clean, might be under the 1500 words, so that's where we'll start off. So let's just go into SEO Quake. And we can see you have 848 words. So like I said in the previous video, the minimum words that Google wants to see for their algorithm is about 1,500 words of content on that home page. This allows for you to get more keywords on there and organic traffic through just the content and the keyword traffic. But you still have some pretty good density and keywords. For example, concrete 44 times, Charleston 13 times, stamped concrete, concrete Charleston, both the name of the business as well as what you want to be found for. So as we can see here, when I typed in concrete company Charleston, you populated right here as the #1 organic listing, and that's going to be based on those keywords you're already using. So just adding the that extra 600 or so words would just help you to stay up on top. So looking here, your #2 or your #1 competition, the #2 organic search is this Port City Concrete. So we looked at them and they only have 278 words. So there's one reason that you're beating them right there. You have more words in them, you have more content, you have more quality content via keywords. So that's good there. And then you can kind of see that their website's pretty short and not very well put together in my opinion. Now the next thing we're going to talk about, as we did last video, is going to be citations. So looking here, you're #2, but really I would say argue #1 because Sam the Concrete Man is running an ad, so that's why he's at the top. He's going to be up here as well, as you can see, as well as Charleston Concrete Contractor and Concrete Pumping Company. So unless you pay for ads, you're not going to beat these three because they're paying to be up there. Now looking at his citations, let's see how he looks. He only has 14, so easily beatable. That's why you are beating him technically, but like I said, when we look at him paying for ads, that's why he's going to populate at the top. Lastly, we can go ahead and just look and kind of see what you're doing as far as the backlink side of the house. So we can click here on SEO Quake, and we're looking at 435 backlinks with 142 referring domains, and you've got a good healthy follow, no follow, with 188 of them being follow backlinks. So yeah, you said in your email that that's what your focus is on. That's where you're throwing a lot of your SEO and your marketing is towards this website, and it definitely shows. The only thing I guess I would say is if you look to expand, that's something that you could look at doing, is just making sure that you kind of alter that content, and then the backlinking as well, obviously for the organic searches that you want to be found for if you expand to different cities that you are already dominating. I know I looked at I think it was Isle Palms, and then you also had another one that I looked at on there. I looked at Isle of Palms and I looked at Mount Pleasant, and you were #1 on those as well. So just making sure that you have a good varying, and you could always add these as their own pages as well to help rank it for just kind of a landing page style. But yeah, at the end of the day, the breakdown is pretty simple. You're doing a great job already. Your SEO is doing what they're supposed to be, and not much I could really say negatively, except maybe expand, add some citations, and if you decide to expand your work area, just ensuring that your SEO mirrors the expansion. If you have any questions, you can always email me or contact me at 813-515-3488. Once again, this is Craig at 813-515-3488. Thanks. Have a great day.